Hello, my ICTA students. In this exercise or this video, I'm going to go over a leader tab with you and just refresh your memory on how to do leader tabs. So first of all, make sure you've got no spacing turned on, all right? And then we're going to key in the heading exercise 7, comma space, and index. Now press enter twice. First thing we want to do is save this in your folder, right? So File, Save As, we want to go to Browse, and we want to go to Your Name. So I want to go to My Name, and here's my name. And then we want to go to ICTA slot 4, and then into your tabs folder. And again, check your address bar, make sure you can see your name, ICTA slot 4, and tabs. Alright, come down to your file name box, press home. Now type in your first name, so I typed in Lee, type in the current date for you, and now at the end of exercise 7 I want you to put in the word index. Alright, so that when we go to check it I can find it easily and I know which one exercise 7 is. Alright, click on save. So now what we want to do is we want to set up 2 tabs. So once again we're going to use our ruler and we want to right align tabs. So I have to change my tab marker here to right. I want one tab at 5.5 and I want the other tab at 6. And that's all we want, okay? Now though, we want to change that tab at 5.5 to right with leaders. Remember, this is your paragraph group, and this is called your paragraph dialog box launcher arrow. Click on it. This is your paragraph dialog box, and now you want to go to tabs. Alright, and we want to make the tab at 5.5. It's got to be blue. Make sure it's blue. It's going to be right, and we want it to have leader number 2. Now watch, it's blue. When you click on set, it's no longer blue because you've set it. So now click OK. Alright, so what we want to do is we're going to type Clydesdale horses. So CLYDESDALE and horses. Okay, press your tab key and now press it one more time because remember the numbers go here. The leaders are stopping at 5.5. The numbers are going to 6. All right, press enter and type racehorse. Racehorses. Press your tab key once and again you see it stopping at 5.5. Press your tab key and type in 10. And you see how it's aligning on the right hand tab at 6. Alright, press enter. And this time you're going to type Appaloosa. A-P-P-A-L-O-O-S-A. Appaloosa horses. Alright, press your tab key. Stopped again. 5.5. Press your tab key and put in 120. Alright, press enter. Now what's the first thing you do when you finish your tabulation is you hold down your Control and Shift and press the letter N for normal. Alright, now your ruler is clean. Check that, your ruler is clean. Click on no spacing and press enter once. Alright, let's go Control S to save so we don't forget to do that. So now what we want to do is we want to do our heading. So let's go Control Home and select your heading. And this time let's use your text effects. Remember this? And you can choose anything that you want. It doesn't matter to me what you choose. All right, but choose something. And then remember, I want you to choose a font. No, I want to change it. I want to go back text effects. I want to choose an outline color. Okay, so I'm going to choose maybe orange for your outline color, and I want to make this larger so that you can see it. There, can you see my outline? And we'll go back here and we'll go to outline, and now we're going to go to weight, and I'm going to make it a little bit thicker so that you can definitely see it. Alright, so there you can see my outline, and I'll put some italics on it, And what else could I put on? Another text effect. Let's put on a reflection. Okay, so I'll put on this as your reflection. Okay, so we got the heading done nicely. Go Control S to save. All right, go Control End, E-N-D, so you're at the end of your document. And now I want to put in 3 pictures, but you've got to put in a Clydesdale horse, okay? They've got to match what we're talking about. So I'm going to select this in my memory here. I'm going to go Control C, and then I'm going to go to the internet. Okay, and I want to go to a new tab, and we're going to search for, and I'm going to go Control V, Clydesdale horses, and I want to put in images. Okay, all right. Now let's go to more. Now, how do you know a Clydesdale horse? Is they all have the big fluffy feet. Okay, see the big fluffy feet? So we want a picture that really demonstrates their big fluffy feet. And plus they're great big horses. So let's take this one. This is a pretty muscular one. Or maybe this one. This is kind of nice. Doesn't matter what you choose. Choose something. Okay, and I want you to save this in your folder. So right click, Save Image As. All right, and now you want to go to your folder. So you're going to go to your folder. You're going to go to your name, and you're going to go to ICT slot 4, and you're going to go to your pictures folder. Check your address bar. Make sure it says ICT A slot 4 and pictures. Now take out a bunch of the extra stuff here and just leave it. Call it Clydesdale horses, and we'll make it 1. Okay, you know how I showed you to do that in a previous video. So do that. So we got Clydesdale horses 1. All right, and save it. All right, now let's go back, and if you want to pick a different horse, you can pick a different horse. That's all right. Now let's go back to Word here, and I want to go and select race horses. So I'm going to go Control C, and I'm going to go to the internet again, and this time I'm going to put in race horses. All right, so now we got pictures, and you can see the longer, thinner legs. There's a big difference between a racehorse and a Clydesdale horse. Clydesdale horses are workers. So let's take this one. There's a racehorse. Okay, and we want to right-click, Save Image As, and now remember your pictures folder comes up. So this is going to be Racehorse 1. Okay, Racehorse 1. Save it. All right, and now let's go back. I'm going to go back to Word just so I get the right spelling of it. I'm going to select Appaloosa horses, go Control C, and now I want to go back to the internet, and I want to go back here, and I'm going to put in Appaloosa horses. Okay, oh, I missed my I. All right. Let's see what we've got. Now, the Appaloosa means that they've got spots or different markings on them. You can see there's many different looking ones, and you can pick out whichever one you want. I think, let's see, actually this gives you a pretty good one, so let's go with this one. All right. Oh, that doesn't look good. Okay, let's choose a different one. What about this one here? Okay, so right-click, Save Image As, and now it's Appaloosa, and there's a 3 on it. That's fine. Or you can put a 1. It doesn't matter. And I'm going to put in horse, though. Horse 1. Okay? All right, save it. So now we can go back. I can close out of here. We don't need the Appaloosa horses. I don't need the Clydesdale. All right, so I'm going to go back to Word. And now we want to insert your pictures. So we want to go to Insert, Pictures, and this time we have to go to your folder. All right, so we have to go to your U drive, ICT slot 4, Pictures, and we want the Clydesdale horses. So insert them, and there they are. All right, so now size them down. Okay, that's a pretty good size, I think. We'll find out when we get them. And of course, make them square. Okay. All right, and now we're going to go to Insert, Pictures, and this time we want the racehorse. All right, Insert, and once again, size it down. Okay, size it down and make it square. Okay, good work. And now we want one more, so go to Insert, Pictures, and we want the Appaloosa horse. Insert, and size it down. Size it down, and size it down. All right, now take a look at the horses. The Clydesdale are running this way, and the racehorse is kind of here. I think this one's pointing the wrong way. All right, so what I want you to do here is come up to Rotate. Okay, you've still got Picture Tools format. Go to Rotate and flip your horse horizontally, so the horse looks like they're looking and they want to be in the picture too. All right, okay, so you flipped it horizontally, make it square. I forgot to do that. And did I make this one square? Yes, I did. Okay, that's good. All right, so there we got our pictures. Now let's put our frame on them. So first of all, let's pick a frame. Okay, I'm going to go with this one, and I'm going to go with this one. You can choose whatever you want, but I have to save time when I'm doing this video. All right, so one more time, we click on the first picture, we hold down the Shift key, click on the second picture, and click on the third picture. All right, you go to Align, you're going to say Align Middle, then you're going to say Align, Distribute Horizontally, and then you're going to go to Group. And now you've grouped your pictures, and there they are, all three horses that match your picture. Now, I didn't do the headers and footers with you, but that's okay. You can do those yourself. So we'll stop there.